Students, today I am going to explain ninth lesson of your reader, The First Flight, and the chapter's name is Madam Rides the Bus by Verly Cannon. The main protagonist in this story is an 8 years old girl who is very fascinated to ride on a bus. She was very fascinating to ride on a bus. And how did she manage this experience? The description is given in this story that we will read. Now the introduction of the chapter is like that. This is a sensitive story of an 8-year-old girl. It describes her first bus journey into the world outside her village. The outside world is fascinating and the bus ride a mysterious journey. She wants to experience this mysterious journey alone. She finds each minute informative, provided by her neighbors regarding the bus journey and collected money for the bus fare. One day she goes on a bus ride alone and comes back with a new experience. About the character. There are two main characters. First is Valiamma and second one is the bus conductor. So Valiamma, an 8-year-old girl, she wishes to travel in the bus. She always wanted to know about new things. She was also known as Valley in short. The bus conductor. The conductor was a jolly sort of person. He asked Valley to get seated in front in the bus of addressed Valley as Madam. Valiamma and her pastime. Valiamma was a girl who was known as Valley in short, and she was 8 years old. She wanted to know about new things. She had no one to play with her of her own age. So her favorite pastime was to stand in front of the door of her house. This always gave her new experiences. The bus that traveled from her street to the town fascinated her the most. Looking at the new passengers every time, the bus gave an unending joy to Valley. Valley wants to travel in the bus. Every day when Valley watched the bus, she wanted to travel in it. This wish became stronger day by day until it became a desire. She used to stare at the people while they got up and down the bus. If one of her friends went on the bus ride and described her about the bus journey, she became jealous of her and would shout. Valley discovers details about the bus journey. For many days and months, Valley listened to the talks of her neighbors and people who went on the bus journey. She even asked them some questions since they were regular travelers. This way she was able to get even the minute details about the bus journey. The fare was 30 paisa for one way and the trip to the town took 45 minutes. She kept on planning and calculating the things for a long time. Valley takes the bus. Valley took the bus on a spring afternoon. There were only 6 to 7 passengers in the bus. The bus was new with soft and luxurious seats. The conductor was a jolly sort of a person and asked Valley to get seated right up there in front. He addressed Valley as Madam. He started looking outside the bus. She started looking outside the bus and was attracted by the outside view. She could see the canal, the palm trees, grassland and distant mountains, and the blue sky. A cow running towards the bus made her laugh and clap. The cow was not moving aside despite continuous honking by the driver. Valley reaches the town. The bus reached the town after some time. Valley was seeing the bright shops and big crowd. She stayed in the bus while the other passengers got down. The conductor asked her to get down, but she told him that she would go back in the same bus. She refused his offer of giving her a cold drink as a treat. She returned back. Valley saw the same wonderful sights on the return journey. She was not bored and greeted everything with the same excitement she had felt the first time. Suddenly, she saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside. It was the same cow that was running towards the bus when she was going to town. She was filled with sadness on seeing her. The bus moved on, but the thoughts of the dead cow haunted Valley. She no longer looked outside the window when the bus reached her village at 3:40. She ran straight for home. Her mother did not get to know of her secret journey. So in this way, the girl who was just 8 years old, she had so many experience while her bus journey, some sadness and some happiness she experienced, and the story is all about our child who was very fascinating about the bus journey. So I hope you understood the chapter. If you have any query, you can comment me in the down link. Thank you and have a nice day.